what if we did it differently? What if the link became your personal AI assistant? So this is me. People can come on and ask me questions exactly what they're interested in, and it'll direct them where to go. So how many of you have profiles with a Linktree or something similar to it? You want to send your followers to a bunch of your promotions or whatever it is you might be selling or promoting, and we all know what a Linktree looks like. If I just go through, so this is your main profile, and this is the link here, which looks a bit ordinary, but it looks a little bit cluttered. But when they do click through to a Linktree, you all know what a Linktree looks like. It's just more or less a list of click-ons where they can go, but where are they going to navigate to? Where do they want to go? A lot of people will get a little bit spooked by this because you've got so many options. How do they know where to go? And you can change the colours and things all you want, but it's still a simple list, and people come on, they go, oh, what do I want to go on? There's no real information about what the free course is about. Anyone can go to your YouTube channel. So these are just some examples which I just pulled off the internet, just to give you an idea of probably what your Linktree profile might look like. It might go through to some kind of a form or a video sales letter, things like that. So you get the idea of that. But what if we did it differently? What if the link became your personal AI assistant? So this is me. People can come on and ask me questions exactly what they're interested in, and it'll direct them where to go. If they ask about my social media, it'll give them the exact social media that they're looking for. If they want to find out a book that I've written, it'll take them there exactly. If they want to join my school community, it'll give them that exact invitational link. So this is very easy to set up. If you do want something like this set up for yourself, by all means join the free school community, and I will talk to you, and we'll get one for you.